Have you ever wondered why your hair looks the way it does? Or why you might be experiencing hair loss? Today, we're going to explore the structure of the hair, what causes hair loss, and how to get healthy hair and avoid hair loss. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin and grows from a hair follicle located in the skin. Each hair follicle has a sebaceous gland, which produces oil that helps to keep the hair and scalp moisturized. The hair shaft is composed of 3 layers: the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer and serves as a protective barrier. The cortex is the thickest layer and gives the hair its strength and color. The medulla is the innermost layer and is found in thicker hair. Let's delve deeper into the causes of hair loss in both men and women. Genetics. One of the most common causes of hair loss in both men and women is genetics. Androgenetic alopecia, also known as male or female pattern baldness, is an inherited condition that affects the hair follicles. Men with this condition typically experience hair loss around the temples and crown of the head, while women may experience thinning hair throughout the scalp. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes can also lead to hair loss. For example, during menopause, women experience a decrease in estrogen levels, which can cause hair to become thinner and more brittle. Similarly, men may experience hair loss as a result of an increase in dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that can cause hair follicles to shrink and eventually stop producing hair. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions can also lead to hair loss in both men and women. These conditions include thyroid disorders, scalp infections, and autoimmune disorders like alopecia areata. Medications. Some medications can also cause hair loss as a side effect. Examples include chemotherapy drugs, beta blockers, and anticoagulants. Nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly in iron and vitamin D, can also contribute to hair loss. It's important to note that while some of these causes of hair loss are more common in one gender than the other, they can still affect both men and women. It's also worth mentioning that stress, poor hair care practices, and certain hairstyles, such as tight braids or ponytails, can also contribute to hair loss. However, there are steps you can take to promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. Being gentle with your hair and avoiding harsh products or heat styling tools can help to prevent damage to your hair and scalp, which can lead to hair loss. Overuse of styling tools like hair straighteners or curling irons can cause your hair to become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Similarly, using products with harsh chemicals or fragrances can irritate your scalp and contribute to hair loss. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in vitamins and minerals can provide the nutrients your hair needs to grow strong and healthy. For example, vitamin B7, also known as biotin, is important for healthy hair growth and can be found in foods like eggs and nuts. Iron is also crucial for healthy hair growth, and can be found in leafy greens like spinach and kale. By nourishing your body with these essential nutrients, you can support healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. Regular exercise and stress management can also help to improve blood flow to your scalp and reduce stress levels, which can contribute to healthy hair growth. When you exercise, you increase blood flow to all areas of your body, including your scalp, which can help to promote healthy hair growth. Similarly, reducing stress levels can help to prevent hair loss, as stress can cause hair follicles to go into a resting phase, which can lead to hair loss. Finally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water can also help to keep your hair and scalp healthy. Drinking water helps to flush toxins from your body, which can contribute to healthy hair growth. It can also help to prevent dryness and breakage, which can lead to hair loss. By taking care of your hair and following these tips, you can promote healthy hair growth and avoid hair loss. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or additional tips on how to promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss, please leave a comment below. Also, feel free to suggest any topics or ideas for my next video. Your feedback is valuable and helps me create content that is both informative and relevant to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for your support.